my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you all a week of outfits as a college student. Today's video is actually in partnership with VIVAIA, a sustainable and eco-friendly shoe company that makes shoes made out of sustainably sourced wool, recycled ocean plastic, and vegan leather. This makes your shoes comfortable, conscious, and sustainable. Using resources like these help to remove plastic from the landfills and improve animal living conditions and habitats. All of their packaging is made of 90% recycled cardboard with minimal artificial colors, helping to prevent and avoid any extra environmental harm and waste. Their shoes are also machine washable, allowing your shoes to stay clean and comfortable for years to come. I was kindly sent over 2 pairs of the Camo sneakers. These sneakers are absolutely adorable and go with just about any outfit. I picked out the white pair with this adorable little rainbow heel. These are so comfortable and breathable, made of a really nice recycled plastic knit fabric. These adorable white lace-up Camo sneakers feature a anti-slip white rubber outsole along with a deodorizing insole. The colorful detailing along with the closed-toed shoe make this the perfect sneaker to go from class to the lab and back. I work in a lab and around labs about 20 hours a week, where closed-toed shoes are required. So having comfortable shoes when I'm on my feet all day, working in the labs, around equipment and hardware are essential. I absolutely love these and I've been wearing them almost every day. I was also sent over a pair of the black lace-up wool Camo sneakers. I love the black wool fabric. These make my feet just a little bit warmer, which is really nice, especially on these cold Colorado spring and winter days. The black color is really nice because it hides a little bit more dirt, especially when I'm working around chemicals, paint, things of that sort. I absolutely love how all of these sneakers feature a little pull tab on the back, allowing it really easy to slip my foot in, put my shoe on, and run out the door when I'm in a hurry. So thank you so much to VIVAIA for sending these over, and without further ado, let's just get on into the video. For day one, we are starting out with a really nice, casual, and comfy outfit, perfect for class or running errands. I have this nice fleece gray pullover paired with some navy leggings. I particularly love how the light gray and the navy complement the adorable white rainbows on my VIVAIA Camo sneakers. These are so cute and match with any little pop of color in your outfit. For day 2, I have my black wool Camo sneakers paired with these light wash jeans and my black CU engineering jacket. Underneath this, I have this cropped green t-shirt. This is so great for pulling up my sleeves when I'm needing my hands or I'm going to be getting a little bit more dirty, or pulling down the sleeves if it's ever getting chilly. I really like jeans, especially with these black shoes for work, in case they do get dirty while I'm working in the lab with equipment and hardware. Jeans are great for work because they have pockets and they keep me warm and comfortable. I also feel like they clean and wash a lot better than some of my leggings do if they were to get dirty while I'm in the lab. Today we are dressed up for a tour. I am a tour guide and ambassador for the aerospace engineering department at my university, so I am required to wear jeans and a belt with my black polo. I love these light wash jeans and how they look so nice with my black sneakers and my polo. Let's head to work. Day 4, we are headed out for a date night, so I am dressed up in this suede rust-colored skirt paired with my nice cream fuzzy sweater. I love how easy it is to wear my Camo sneakers with some of my nicer outfits. These are so comfortable and allow me to have freedom and mobility while I am walking around the town and headed out for the night. Day 5, I am headed back to class. For today, I have this periwinkle waffle knit sweater paired with some black leggings and my light gray puffy vest. Wearing these with my wool black Camo sneakers will keep not only my feet but the rest of my body warm while I am walking between classes and around campus all day. I love having a vest just because it allows me to stay warm without overheating, and they're really nice for class when these lecture halls get really cold. Today, my friend and I walked to Starbucks for our online lecture, so it was so nice having these supportive and warm shoes on while I was walking around. I am now changed into a nice, comfortable workout outfit for doing some late night work and studying. I have on a white t-shirt along with some cute burgundy and teal colored shorts. These look so adorable with my white and rainbow camo sneakers. I love how the colors complement each other. These shoes are so supportive and are great for when I am lounging around and want just a little extra cushion and foot support while I'm in bed, studying, or at my desk doing some extra work. Thank you so much to VIVAIA for partnering with me on today's video. I will have all the links to these shoes and their website in the description box below. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all next time. Peace out. Bye.